Hello beautiful friends, it's Linda here from Neutralizing with Love and from the Highly Sensitive channel. It's great to catch up with you today. I really wanted to share this with you because recently I was inspired to share a challenge, a personal challenge that I spoke about with friends called Change is My Friend. And as I spoke more about it, it snowballed into a public challenge which we created into a Facebook group, and on it went. It's a 21-day challenge that started on the 1st of March. You can join the group anytime and do this challenge for yourself. There are some great lives on there that just outline how to do small change and how any small change activates the ripple effect. So go and have a look. Just do hashtag change is my friend and go find that group. Anyway, I've been offering something to the group every day. Sometimes it's live, as I said. Other times it's these beautiful assisting frequencies and anahata codes to activate awareness in our heart library. And today, in March of 2020, with lots of fear stuff going around, we're doing neutralizing and loving, and the frequency that came up that I intuited for us today is the Solfeggio frequency of 7041 Hertz. And it is about awakening your intuition, consciousness expansion, cleansing from toxins, and leading you to a pure, stable spiritual life. It was perfect. So I wanted to share it here with you so that you too can understand, if you would like to, work with your heart library and create some more awareness for yourself. With love, I share this, and I wish you all the best. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Here's the recording. And hello, beautiful beings. How are you today? You hear the music in the background, and that is the Solfeggio frequency of 741 Hertz. I sat and asked what to share today, and I intuited to 741 Hertz of the Solfeggio frequency. It awakens your intuition, and it's for consciousness expansion. It cleanses cells from toxins, and frequent use of this Solfeggio frequency leads to a healthier, simpler life, and also to change the diet towards foods which aren't poisoned by toxins. It cleans the cell of different electromagnetic radiations, cleanses infections, viral, bacterial and fungal. This tone leads you to a pure, stable and spiritual life. I think it's a beautiful tone, and I always play the Solfeggio frequencies when I'm activating them in my heart library. So let's activate, if you want, this anahata code right now. If you haven't learnt much about the anahata codes before now, pause the recording and I'll put a link to where I've got an explanation on the website. Otherwise, just follow along, relax, it's not scary, and I'll share this with you. So place one hand over your heart chakra and the other hand palm up in a receive mode. It'll be clear to you which hand wants to sit on your heart and which one wants to sit up. Be gentle. Pause here if you haven't had water recently. You should be hydrated for any spiritual work. And then we can come back to us when you're free. Breathe in. Be you. Be gentle. Feel your body wherever you are, sitting or lying. And just be in your beautiful space right now. We ask for, align with and allow this beautiful anahata code with gratitude and love we activate the assisting frequency of the Solfeggio Frequency, 741 Hz. 528 741, 528 741, 528 741, 528 741, 528 741, 528 741, 528 741, 528 741, 528 741, 528 741, 528 741, 528 741, 528 741, 528 741. Now take your receiving hand and place it over your heart chakra as well. Take a deep in breath. Let that breath go. And say, it is so. It is done. If you choose to do this activation again, it'll work on different parts, because we evolve that onion skin moment of layers. Every time I do a code, it's for a different purpose, for a different reason. But don't chase it. If it's done for now, it's done. I'll leave you with the music for a while, the tones of 741 Hz. Enjoy. Lots of love. Bye for now.